Stop thinking that learning only exists in a classroom setting, sitting at a desk. Stop that. No, learning exists everywhere. Now, I've been a teacher for over 25 years, and I can tell you that the best learning takes place in the most, I would say, non-traditional situations. So it's like kids are curious and they just want to learn about something. And that's where the magic happens. Not making them sit down, forcing them to do a bunch of busy work and worksheets and things based on what you want them to learn about. That's not really where the magic happens. The magic happens when they are able to have the freedom to choose what they would like to learn about, and then they are given a nice environment like a buffet to explore and check out different things and decide, I want to learn more about this. Oh, I kind of like that too. Let me learn. That's where the learning really happens. And that's where you'll see children or teens or adults as well starting to have a lot of fun and are excited about learning and doing different things. I'm grateful that I had the chance to teach so many different types of people, and I am able to do what I know is best for my students and teach in a way that I know will help them to become great students, great learners, and to just explore the world around them. I'm also proud to be a homeschooling mom. Really, it's more unschooling, but we say homeschooling because that's just more, that's the term that most people understand. And so I'm a homeschooling mom, and I am just so blown away by how much my children have learned and grown through various ways of learning. And none of it occurred sitting down at some desk being lectured by someone. It was us going to places, going out, doing things, or just exploring with different materials, or doing something online that they love. I mean, just whatever you can think about, do it. So don't restrict yourself. Don't restrict your children. If it's something that seems like it's probably fun, do that. That's the thing. Don't force them to sit around and do busy work. And then, that's kind of like they're not as motivated to learn that way. And they learn so much more when they are motivated and they are exposed to so many different things. And you cover all subject areas that way. So remember that. Stop thinking that learning only occurs in a desk in a classroom. That's not true. That's arbitrary, and it comes from a mindset based on something years ago that I won't get into now because I think I'm going to lose your interest after a while. So just remember that. And if you're interested, I will post more videos about this.